Each of us has our own set of things we depend on to get through the day, from practical to creative, just for fun, or just in case. So I created the Sling Pack, a minimalist single strap bag that combines the best of a messenger bag and sling into one ultralight package. A few years ago, customers started telling me they were having trouble finding a go-to bag for their everyday essentials. They wanted the versatile carry options of a sling, the weatherproof protection of a messenger but without the flap, and ultralight performance that doesn't make it look like you're going hiking. Folks also asked for specific details that make a bag convenient to use every day, like standing on its own when you set it down, having a high-vis interior to make it easy to find your stuff, being able to secure valuables close to the body with a recessed rear pocket, and the versatility of a cord pass-through to keep your devices charged. With their help, we brought the Sling Pack to life. The main body is made from soft shell, the same ultra-durable, waterproof material as our wallets and backpack. The base is made from indestructible Hypalon rubber, similar to what's used to make Navy SEAL rafts, and its bottom is padded to provide extra protection for more sensitive gear. One of the biggest breakthroughs came with the custom spring-loaded aluminum cam buckle. It provides effortless one-handed adjustability that feels second nature. The Sling Pack is tailor-made for tablets like the iPad Pro and iPad Air with Magic Keyboard, which have become a primary tool for many. On days that you need to bring your full-size laptop, the entire bag fits nicely into the Sling Pack backpack, like a packing cube. Here's what some early beta testers had to say. We've already completed 4 Kickstarter campaigns and successfully delivered over 12,000 rewards to 70 countries. The Sling Pack allows you to gather all of your favorite essentials, digital and analog, practical and creative, in one place. Back this project now and be the first to get one, so you can start building your own minimalist toolkit to bring with you wherever you go.